your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. No, 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 no. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other? What's the point of living without you? Tell me now and I'll stop fighting. Tell me now and I'll stop breathing. I don't want to be here without you. Without you. Without you. Without you. Without you. No, 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 no. I'll be your light, I'll keep you from darkness. Even when the sun don't shine, even when the sun don't shine. Give me your strength, show me your weakness. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other? What's the point of living without you? Tell me now and I'll stop fighting. Tell me now and I'll stop breathing. I don't want to be here without you. Without you. Without you. Without you. Without you.
Hey guys, what's up? So I just literally got done putting that boxwood over there on that side, on the left side, and the rain that I had been anticipating all day showed up and it messed up with my plans. I wanted to show you what I was doing, but I was fighting with the clock. I knew that the rain was coming, so I finished everything and I figured at the end, if it stops raining, I will just show you what I have. So as you can tell in the video, I decided to replace the boxwoods that I had there. There was nothing wrong with those boxwoods. They had been there for a couple of years now, and my idea was that one day they will look, just skinny and tall. They grow to be, the tall boxwoods that don't get too wide, only about a couple of feet wide and about 5 to 7 feet tall. So I knew they were going to be perfect for the spot here. However, as I was walking in the store today at my local orange store, I found these two beautiful, tall, mature boxwoods that you are looking at here. When I first saw them, I knew that I was going to take them home and I was going to put them right there in this spot to replace the other ones. I was not thinking about replacing them, but I figure I'm going to be saving, I don't know, 4 to 6 years before these small boxwoods that I had here before reach that height. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with spending a little bit of extra money today to get that instant gratification. And I am so happy that I decided to do that because they look amazing, I think. I do want to mention the containers that they were in, these huge red containers, they are 7-gallon size. And honestly, half of that was filled with mulch. As you can see here, as I was taking them out of the containers, you could see that a lot of the stuff around, underneath, and on top of the actual root ball was mulch. So I took those out. I did not want all that mulch added to the holes, so I took those out. I rearranged the side of the holes that I make there, and then I did my best. I did put some biotone with them. I did water before anybody else makes any comments that I do not water my plants when I put them in the holes. I do water and then I do fertilize, even though it's fall. I do like to give them a little bit of fertilizer. Like I said, it just got done raining, and gosh, I've been wanting to work on this bed for the longest time, but we haven't really had a good freeze or really cold temperatures yet. I want to save those dahlias, which will probably be the next video, but I still have to wait because they're still looking like okay. And I think this is my first year with dahlias, and I think that I have to wait until the plants look completely done and brown and dead. So I'm still waiting on those. It will probably be more like the middle of November for me here. So that's what I have for you guys. Check your local stores right now. They might be bringing new plants. I know mine are still bringing new perennials and putting them for half off. I don't know what's up with that, but anyway, it's just a weird year for everything. So I'm not complaining, but yes, so that's all I have for today for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, maybe you can do that today. And until the next video.